Hi everyone, I have a new security camera I want to show you. It's a camera with good price, excellent video quality. I think you're really going to like this one. Also, I want to say, if you like the video after watching it, why don't you give me the thumbs up? Because that really helps my channel grow. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, of course. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing and the review. Hi everyone, Captain Mark Reviews. Today I have a new security camera by Reolink, and this one is the Reolink Argus Eco, a stationary camera. I think you're going to like this, so let's take a look at the box and see what it says about it. The Reolink Argus Eco is 100% wire-free. It's solar-powered or 3.6 volts, rechargeable battery-powered, two-way audio, 1080p Full HD, IP65 weatherproof, and smart PIR sensor. Okay, let's open the box and see what comes inside. All right, the first thing we see is the envelope, which all the information comes in, and it's always nicely presented. Be prepared, be Reolink. Opening up, we see it's your quick start guide, and it's always nice and complete. Yep, this one is too. Very good. Next is your mounting template. It even describes what hardware to use with each type of hole or mounting situation. Very thorough. Next we have, of course, the Reolink 24-hour surveillance sticker, which I love. I always like having those stick on the windows. Okay, grabbing the first thing in the box is your hardware package. Comes with the anchors and screws. Also a nice little pin for resetting your camera if you need to. Very complete. All right, next we have our charging cord. Let's open it up, stretch it out, and see what the ends are. Yes, and here we have micro USB to USB. All right, and we have the antenna here. This is the 4-inch antenna, which is the 2.5 gigahertz signal. It gives you very good reception with this antenna. And we have our mounting base for this. Wow, this is metal. Heavy duty here. And it has the quick release on it for the adjustable knob. You just turn the knob on that and the head swivels all around for you. Oh, it has a different kind of mounting plate on here. You can make it a quick mount if you want by attaching that to whatever surface you want and then mount the base to that. Well, that's pretty cool. And we have the quick mount strap for this, which is nice. They include this in there so you can mount it to poles or posts, wherever you want, or even around a tree. Okay, reaching in and grabbing the camera, pulling it out of the bag. And looking all around the camera here, quickly, you can see it's all molded plastic, heavy duty. And here we have the speaker hole on there for good audible sound. And we have the flange up top. Let's see what's in here. Okay, we have the SD card. We also have the on-off button and the reset button in there. You can see it in the corner. Which the reset pin comes in your hardware package, which I showed you earlier. All right, I want to start putting this together and show you how easy it is. First, we start with the 2.4 gigahertz antenna. Let's turn and twist it on until it locks into place. Then you can actually move it around any position you want. Next, we have the flange in the bottom. And this is your charging cord, which you plug in either with the solar panel or the charger. In this case, we're going to have to charge it first before we hook up the solar panel. All right, now we're going to work on the mounting bracket and how easy it is to install this. First thing you have to do is take the set screw out because that holds it into place. Once you screw it in, you can see here, I'll tighten it down, get it right in the right position. And as you see here, there's a slot that the set screw goes in to keep it from moving around while you're making the adjustments to it. Pretty simple. Just a simple tiny screw holds it into place. Okay, we're going to take plastic off the front and show you the lens and the sensor and the microphone and how it has a little ridge on the top to keep the sun away from the sensor, so that's kind of a nice feature there. Okay, let's get some measurements on this camera and tell you how long it is and how much it weighs. First of all, it's 7 inches long from top of the camera to the base. Is 2 3/4 inch deep from the top of the camera to the bottom of the camera. And putting it on the scale here, you can see it weighs 11.8 ounces, so pretty light, not too much weight to worry about. And I also have the Reolink Solar Panel 2 to go with this camera to keep it fully charged while it's outside. You can see opening the box, we have the nice presentation again. Be prepared, be Reolink. You can see here we open it up, and you can see it shows you the degree angle to put to catch the maximum amount of sunlight for your panel to charge. So that's really nice. Here we have the template for installing your mounting bracket, also your warranty card, and of course your 24-hour surveillance sticker. Okay, next we have the solar panel. Let's take off the foam protector on it. You can pull it out, you can see how nice and sleek and ergonomic design it is. Next we have your mounting and hardware screws. Okay, and pulling out the standoff bracket, you can see that you twist knob on the top and it releases the adjustable head on it. And you can also see that it's made of metal, heavy duty metal too. Nice, not in a plastic, so longevity there. And a little adjustment screw on the top, you can see you can keep it nice and tight when you attach it to the panel. As you can see here, the panel is very thin, sleek design like I told you. High gloss and everything. So I'd like to show you just how small and compact this solar panel 2 is. And here you can see it is 7 1/4 inches long by 4 3/4 inch wide. And it is 1/4 inch thick. So very small, very compact. And getting a weight measurement on the scale with the cord, it is 7.6 ounces, so very light. All right, and now I'm going to assemble all this to show you how easy to put it together and get this thing up and running. Okay, take your panel, and you have a 1/4 screw hole in the back, and screw your standoff bracket into that. Goes on quickly and easily. And once that's done, then you need to take your camera and open up the back flange on it. You can see where the micro USB port is. And you're going to take the cord and make sure you get it in the right position, sliding back on the seal sleeve and plugging it directly into the camera. And you can see here, once I did, there's a green light that turns on. You can see it's active. And next you're going to take the weatherproof seal and gently insert it over top of the micro USB connector so there's a groove there. And once you get it seated in there, it's weatherproof. It's time now to get the Wi-Fi installed on the camera and get it outside and get it mounted. So let's follow the procedures here. You need to add the Reolink app. You need to turn your camera on, open up the flange on the bottom, flip the switch, and listen for the camera to go into startup mode.
Camera has been started up. Please run Reolink App, add the camera, and set it up.
Okay, once you hear that, you want to go up to the top right of the app and push the plus button, and that gets you into adding the device. There's a QR code that has to be scanned on the bottom of the camera. Once you scan it, it identifies which camera you use, and then you tell it to search for the Wi-Fi. You type in your password or the Wi-Fi. Once that's done, you enter in your password. You need to scan the QR code with the camera that pops up on your app. Simply take the camera in front of it, place it 2 to 4 inches above the code, and pull back on it, and then you will hear,
"Scan succeeded. Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait." Connection to the router succeeded.
Did you hear that sound? You click on the app saying I heard the sound and hit next. And you confirm again, hit next. And the app will ask you to name your device. You enter that in and hit next. Now you simply scroll down to where you see your device name. You can see, there you are. It's installed. And what great image quality it has. Okay. Now the Wi-Fi is installed on that. I want to go over and show you some more details about the camera, highlight some of the features on it. And then we're going to go outside and install it on the building and show you some reviews of what it looks like at night and during the day, and go over the app. Okay, next I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the panel and camera. You simply take the mounting bracket and screw it into your surface, in this case my aluminum siding on the house. Very easy to adjust. You angle it to whatever you can to get the maximum sunlight from it. And same thing for the camera, but you need to turn it on first to make sure it's working and linked up with the Wi-Fi. Screw in the base just like I did on the solar panel. Very simple to install. Next, you need to make sure you got the power cord running from the solar panel to the back of the camera. Once you get that hooked up, it's all set and ready to go. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed my review on the Reolink Argus Eco security camera. It's the outdoor security camera system that's wireless. It's solar battery powered, 1080p wire free, IP65 waterproof, two-way audio, night vision with PIR motion sensor. It works with Google and Alexa Assistant, has local SD and cloud storage, comes with solar panel too. This is a great little camera. The video quality is really great. The app is user friendly and the zoom and the night vision on the camera were crystal clear as you saw in my review. You can purchase this on Amazon for $75.99 and I'll leave that link down below for quick access to this camera. You can't go wrong with this security camera. It's a good price, great quality. So I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review. So if you feel the information I gave you was useful in helping you purchase this product or any of the other products on my channel, why don't you give me that big thumbs up? And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button down below, and please don't forget to hit the bell to the right to catch all my upcoming videos, and I have a lot more coming your way. So this is Captain Mark saying thank you for always watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.